Now this is going to be a slightly different video than usual, but with AI taking over all aspects of the software industry, I think this is an important subject to talk about. You see, junior developers are getting screwed. But not only that, I think the software development pipeline is about to collapse. Let's talk about it. For the longest time now, the software developer's path has been a pretty straightforward one. You get a degree or some kind of certification, either it's a boot camp or a 4-year degree, or you just gain some relevant experience and you start off as a junior dev. Then you work and work and work, you gain some experience, and eventually you become a mid-level engineer. Then you tackle some bigger projects and you become a senior level developer. And as a senior developer, you take on even bigger projects and you lead teams, mentor people, do all kinds of stuff. But today, that path, the pipeline of junior developers, it's breaking. Here, let's go make some coffee really quick. Now, in general, the software industry has faced massive layoffs, which I'm sure you've heard about, unless of course you're living under a rock. And if you are, by the way, save some space for me. Maybe I'll come by sometime. But ultimately, I think there's a few reasons for these layoffs. Now, one could just simply be a post-COVID market correction, meaning less people are stuck at home and chronically online, leading to less sales, less people using online platforms, etc., etc. But I also think rising interest rates play a crucial role in these layoffs, mostly due to the government battling inflation after massive COVID spending. And this has all led to reduced investment and cost-cutting measures, which has been flooding the job market with experienced engineers, making it significantly harder for junior developers to find opportunities. I mean, why would a company hire a junior dev when the market is literally saturated with experienced engineers from large companies? But wait, I think it actually gets much worse. You see, AI has accelerated these layoffs by increasing the productivity of senior engineers, leading companies to reduce hiring but expect more output from fewer employees. Now, all of this together isn't just limiting new job opportunities, it's straight up destroying the junior developer pipeline we've had for decades when it comes to training and integrating junior developers into the software industry. And this pipeline is being broken right in front of our very eyes. Take, for example, the case of Launch Academy. Launch Academy is an excellent boot camp based in Boston, and they've helped over 1,200 students find and start their jobs in the software developer industry. They have been responsible for launching so many careers in software and actually hired someone from Launch Academy many years ago. It truly is a great boot camp, or should I say, was. You see, Launch Academy has stopped their cohorts indefinitely, and their reasoning highlights a very grim reality. Launch Academy was quoted as saying, "The influx of new bootcamp programs coupled with an increase in experienced developers seeking new opportunities due to layoffs and hiring freezes has created a saturated market. Even with the best available preparation, there is no substitute for work experience." Essentially, this flood of experienced developers into the market has destroyed the bootcamp model. Companies that were once boasting 80 to 100% placements after graduating from their bootcamp are now struggling just to hit 50%. So what does this mean, and what are we left with? For one, we have now a shrinking talent pool and an over-reliance on AI. You see, the disappearance of junior roles leads to a long-term gap in experience between juniors and mid to senior level engineers. And without fresh ideas and new perspectives typically brought on by junior engineers as they learn and grow, we are going to become more and more reliant on AI to finish our work as senior engineers. This will weaken problem-solving abilities and intuition, leading to the whole entire industry just becoming this echo chamber of regurgitation of the same things over and over again, and a lack of new ideas and fresh things that we create. Also, this is going to create a massive amount of workforce inequality and a declining diversity overall. You see, junior roles and boot camps in particular have historically been a great entry point for underrepresented groups in tech. And over time, this diversity is going to decline, leading to a larger and larger majority of exclusivity that comes with having a 4-year degree in a CS program. And again, this growing divide is going to only limit fresh perspectives and creativity from people who are coming in from outside of the computer science sphere. There are also some broader ranging economic problems here. You see, a lack of junior developers leads to a scarcity of the senior devs, making it harder and more expensive to hire developer talent at all. This means that smaller companies and startups are going to have a much harder time trying to compete in the future. But you know what? It's not too late. I think there are ways that we can fix this. You see, even in this world that's overwhelmed with AI and layoffs, I think we can solve these problems. And here's a few ideas. First of all, apprenticeships. Now, this is a belief that I've had for a pretty long time, actually. You see, I think we need to treat junior developer jobs as apprenticeships. There's no replacement for learning from a mentor on the job, and software development is no exception. My biggest jumps in software development was when I had really great mentors teaching me new things. And these apprenticeship programs could leverage the framework already built by bootcamps to fill in any gaps. We also need to support junior hiring. We need to entice companies to hire more junior developers to make sure we keep a steady pipeline of developer talent. And offering, I don't know, tax incentives could be one way to accomplish this, but we also just culturally need to treat juniors as an investment in future innovation and growth, and not as a burden that slows down senior devs and KPIs. And last but not least, we need to use AI responsibly. We should be encouraging juniors to debug AI-generated code, focusing on understanding the why behind solutions and not just the solution itself. We also need to pair juniors with mentors to ensure AI serves as a learning tool and not a crutch. So, in conclusion, the developer pipeline is more than just a career ladder. It's a backbone for the tech industry. Without juniors, there are no mid-level engineers, and without mid-level engineers, there's no seniors, and without seniors, there's no leadership, there's no innovation, and no progress. The collapse of this pipeline isn't inevitable, but we need to invest in juniors, we need to rethink hiring practices, and we have to integrate AI responsibly so that we can ensure a future where human creativity and experience remain central to software development. The question isn't whether we need juniors, it's whether we'll act to support them before it's too late. Everyone was a junior once, including myself. And if I didn't have the support that I got, I wouldn't be here today. So let's support our junior engineers. And hey, thanks nerds.